Okay, I want the virtual world out there to know what I'm doing. Today is June the 25th of 2014. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I am at a cemetery that has been long gone and forgotten about. I've been out here trimming trees for the last half an hour or so. I got a lot of the tree branches and stuff. This is just pitiful. It's just sad that people would let their family history just go away like this and just forget about them. Yeah, I'm gonna upright this tombstone here in just a second and trim away some more trees. I got my old trusty pocket knife here that I'm using. Got the old, I'm trimming trees with this thing. Yeah, you see how long it is compared to my hand. So I take it here to the wrist, a little past. So yeah, that's what I'm trimming trees with right now. So hey, that's sad. I'm gonna upright this thing here. I'm gonna see if I can post the camera up. Hold on, guys. Hold on. You're still with me. I think we're still together. Yeah, we're still together. All right. There we go. Well, I don't know if you're going to be able to see me from that angle or not, but you'll definitely be able to hear me groan and grunt as I'm picking this sucker up. Let me trip these little things back here. Get these things out of the way. Now, these things are just breaking off left and right. I don't need to put my knife on them. Anyway, I'm going to see what I can do about uploading this thing. And I probably need to focus the camera around better, about right there. Let me. Yeah, it's facing upwards. Let's see what we can do. There, let's set it right there. Come on, work with me. Dizzy yet? Alright guys, yeah, I'm going to put the old camera back down. I'm going to put the backpack down. Got my bedroll right around the corner over there. Here in the cemetery. Got a lot of fire ants right here. I think they're going to give me a fit. I just know it. But it's alright. It's worth it in the end, ain't it? Alright. Yeah, upsy daisy. Stupid kids. Oh Lord. I don't think I'm going to be able to pick that thing up on my own. Not unless I have myself a piece of leverage or something here. Mercy. Who's got a shovel? I don't know. Well, I gave it a shot, didn't I? Huh? Oh my God, that thing weighs a ton. Well, dang, dad, nabbit, dad, blam it. Anyway, well, shucks, y'all seen I gave it a try. That thing is just way too darn heavy. And if I just had one more person here to help me, I'm sure I could get it up right. Well, I'm gonna get ready to get out of town. Yeah, I love you guys. I do what I can out here in the world, try to help people. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.